Let me open it. This is sharp. I have no idea what's in here, Aaron. Here, open it up.
Something furry. Oh my gosh.
Oh boy. Whoa.
Shirt. A
Yeah,
shirt.
What's that? Aaron, what's that? What's that?
Tiger, yeah.
Look, you got shorts too.
Those look like boxer shorts.
You got more
shirt.
shorts. Another shirt. Can you say
Wow.
thank you? He's like, all right, Dad, open the trays.
Hey, what about
Look.
what's over here?
Look at this. Look at this.
Daddy.
You want this open?
Yes.